Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, gave this advice to everyday Americans. Just buy index funds and wait. That's it. No stock picking, no complicated strategy. So what exactly is an index fund? Let me explain in 5 minutes. What is index fund? Here's 20 to 130. Imagine you're to eat at the best restaurant in the city. But you don't know which one is best. So instead, you buy a little taste of every restaurant. That way, no matter which one is your top pick, you always win. That's exactly what an index fund does. Instead of picking one stock, it buys hundreds of stocks automatically. The most famous one is the S&P 500. It's one of the top 500 companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all in one fund. Why index